Magandang araw! Sama-sama tayong matuto sa Teacher Sal Learning Resource Channel.
Revised K-12 Curriculum Math 2, Quarter 1, Week 5. For Day 1, our topic is all about comparing numbers up to 500. Let's read these numbers. 58, 8, 100, 7, 110, 85, 98, 325, 275, 32. These posted numbers are samples of 1-digit, 2-digit, and 3-digit number cards. What is the meaning of digits? Digits are the single symbols used to represent numbers. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so forth. Let's identify numbers: 1-digit, 2-digit, and 3-digit numbers. Look at the numbers. Can you tell which are 1-digit, 2-digit, and 3-digit numbers? 2. It is a 1-digit number. 23. Very good, it is a 2-digit number. 9. 1-digit number. 116. 3-digit number. 500. 3-digit number. For the lesson purpose, to compare numbers up to 500, greater than, less than, equal to, digits leftmost digit. Comparing numbers. Let's see which number is greater or smaller. Look at the numbers. Which number is greater or smaller? Explain why. Which one is greater? You're right, it is 32. Which one is greater? Very good, it is 20. Which one is greater? Very good, it is 81. Which one is greater? You're right, it is 56. Is 56 greater than 8? Why? Yes, 56 is greater than 8. Possible reasons: 56 is greater than 10, while 8 is less than 10. If we consider the order of numbers from 1 to 60, 56 is the right of 8. We say that 56 is greater than 8. Can we also say that 8 is less than 56? Yes, we can. Which one is greater, 56 or 8? 56 is greater than 8. 8 is less than 56. So, if we say that one number, A, is greater than another number, B, we can also say that B is less than A. Is 7 less than 100? Why? Yes, 7 is less than 100. Possible reasons: 7 is less than 10, while 100 is greater than 10. If we consider the order of numbers from 1 to 100, 7 is to the left of 100. We say that 7 is less than 100. Can we also say that 100 is greater than 7? Yes, we can. Is 110 greater than 85? Why? Yes, 110 is greater than 85. Possible reasons: 110 is greater than 100, while 85 is less than 100. If we consider the order of numbers from 80 to 110, 110 is to the right of 85. 110 is greater than 85. 85 is less than 110. We say that 110 is greater than 85. Can we also say that 85 is less than 110? Yes, we can. 56 and 8, 7 and 100, 110 and 85. What can you say about the number of digits in each pair of numbers? Each pair of numbers has a different number of digits. 56 and 8. When comparing a two-digit number, 56, and a one-digit number, 8, which is greater? The two-digit number is greater than the one-digit number. 107. When comparing a three-digit number, 100, and a one-digit number, 7, which one is greater? It is 100. The three-digit number is greater than the one-digit number. 110 and 85. When comparing a three-digit number, 110, and a two-digit number, 85, which one is greater? It's 110. The three-digit number is greater than the two-digit number. We observe that a two-digit number is greater than a one-digit number. Three-digit number is greater than a one-digit number. Three-digit number is greater than a two-digit number. Can we say that the number with more digits is greater? Yes, we can. When comparing numbers, the number with more digits is greater. What if we compare numbers with the same number of digits? Example, 56 and 89, 23 and 12, 74 and 79. Look at the leftmost digit. The leftmost digit is the first digit in the number. Usually the tens place in two-digit numbers. In 56, the leftmost digit is 5. In 89, the leftmost digit is 8. If numbers have the same numbers of digits, start comparing from the leftmost digit. If the digits are the same, move to the next digit. For example, in 32 and 98, is 32 less than 98? Yes, 32 is less than 98. Possible reasons: 32 is less than 50, while 98 is more than 50. 98 is closer to 100 than 32. If we consider the order of numbers from 30 to 100, 98 is the right of 32. We say that 32 is less than 98. Can we also say that 98 is greater than 32? Yes, we can. 32 is less than 98. 98 is greater than 32. Is 325 greater than 275? Why? Yes, 325 is greater than 275. For the possible reasons, 325 is greater than 300, while 275 is less than 300. If we consider the order of numbers from 270 to 330, 325 is the right of 275. We say that 325 is greater than 275. Can we also say that 275 is less than 325? Yes, we can. 325 is greater than 275. 275 is less than 325. In the numbers 32 and 98, 325 and 275, what can you say about the number of digits in each pair of numbers? Each pair of numbers has the same number of digits. What can you say about the leftmost digit of the numbers in each pair? The leftmost digit of the numbers are different. 32 and 98. When comparing two two-digit numbers, which one is greater? The two-digit number with a larger leftmost digit is greater. When comparing two three-digit numbers, which one is greater? The three-digit number with a larger leftmost digit is greater. When comparing numbers with the same number of digits, the number with a larger leftmost digit is greater. In these numbers 98 and 98, what do you observe about the numbers? They are the same. 98 is equal to 98. 678, 678. How about this pair of numbers? What can you say about them? The numbers are equal. 678 is equal to 678. Comparing numbers up to 500. In each pair of numbers, encircle the greater number. Which one is greater? You're right, it is 9. 34 and 84. Which one is greater? Very good, it is 84. 145 and 5. Which one is greater? It is 145. 467 and 264. Which one is greater? It's 467. 303 and 500. Which one is greater? You're right, it is 500. In each pair of numbers, encircle the lesser number. Which one is lesser, 2 or 33? It is 2. 176 and 6. The answer is 6. 34 and 84. The answer is 34. 314, 414. Very good, it is 314. 227, 167. You're right, it is 167. How do we compare numbers? The number with more digits is greater. Example given, 325 is greater than 72 because it has 3 digits, whereas 72 has only 2 digits. How do we compare numbers? When comparing numbers with the same number of digits, the number with a larger leftmost digit is greater. Example given, 414 is greater than 114 because 4 is larger than 1. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Blank is greater than 43. A 34, B 40, C 43, D 58. You're right, the correct answer is letter D. 58 is greater than 43. For number 2, 125 is less than blank. A 127, B 125, C. 124, D. 120. You're right. The correct answer is letter A, 127. For number 3, blank is equal to 420. A. 402, B. 419, C. 420, D. 421. Very good. The correct answer is letter C, 420. Next, number 4. Blank is less than 475 and greater than 350. A. 480, B. 400, C. 350, D. 349. You're right. The correct answer is letter B, 400. Number 5. Blank is greater than 180 and less than 230. A. 231, B. 230, C. 225, D. 180. You're right. The correct answer is letter C, 225. For day 2, comparing numbers up to 1,000. Which one is greater, 25 or 5? You're right, it is 25. 127 or 227? Very good, it is 227. 46 or 34? You're right, it is 46. How do we know that 25 is greater than 5? We compare the number of digits. Since 25 has more digits than 5, then 25 is greater. How do we know that 227 is greater than 127? They have the same number of digits, so we looked at their leftmost digits. The leftmost digit of 227, which is 2, is larger than that of 127, which is 1. So 227 is greater than 127. Can we apply this idea for the numbers 46 and 34? Why? Yes, we can. The numbers are both two-digit numbers, so we look at their leftmost digits. The leftmost digit of 46, which is 4, is larger than that of 34, which is 3. So 46 is greater than 34. For our lesson purpose, to compare numbers up to 1,000. In previous lesson, you compared numbers with the same number of digits, but with different leftmost digits. This time, you will compare numbers with the same number of digits and same leftmost digits. Pick two two-digit number cards that have the same first digit, tens place. Post the two cards in a column on the board. Look at the ones digit of both numbers. Compare the numbers and tell the class which is greater or smaller. Explain how you knew the answer. 86 and 84. Is 86 greater than 84? Why? Yes, 86 is greater than 84. Possible reasons: 86 is 1 more than 85, while 84 is 1 less than 85. If we consider the order of numbers from 80 to 90, 86 is the right of 84. We say that 86 is greater than 84. Can we also say that 84 is less than 86? Yes, we can. 86 is greater than 84. 84 is less than 86. Is 418 less than 435? Why? Yes, 418 is less than 435. Possible reasons: 435 is more than 420, while 418 is less than 420. If we consider the order of numbers From 415 to 435, 418 is to left of 435. We say that 418 is less than 435. Can we also say that 435 is greater than 418? Yes, we can. 418 is less than 435. 435 is greater than 86. 729 and 721. Is 729 greater than 721? Why? Yes, 729 is greater than 721. Possible reasons: 729 is greater than 725, while 721 is less than 725. If we consider the order of numbers from 720 to 730, 729 is the right of 721. We say that 729 is greater than 721. Can we also say that 721 is less than 729? Yes, we can. 729 is greater than 721. 721 is less than 729. What can you say about the number of digits in each pair of numbers? Each pair of numbers has the same number of digits. What can you say about the leftmost digits in each pair of numbers? The leftmost digits are the same. What can you say about the rightmost digits in the first pair of numbers? They are different. What can you say about the middle digits in the second pair of numbers? The middle digits are different. What can you say about the middle digits in the third pairs of numbers? They are the same. How about the rightmost digits? The rightmost digits are different. When comparing the two-digit numbers with the same leftmost digits but different rightmost digits, which one is greater? The two-digit number with a larger rightmost digit is greater, which is 86. When comparing the two three-digit numbers with the same leftmost digits but different middle digits, which one is greater? The three-digit number with a larger middle digit is greater. When comparing the two three-digit numbers with the same leftmost and middle digits but different rightmost digits, which one is greater? The three-digit number with a larger rightmost digit is greater. How do we compare numbers with the same leftmost digits? For two-digit numbers, if the leftmost digits are the same, compare the rightmost digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. For three-digit numbers, if the leftmost digits are the same, compare the middle digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. If the middle digits are still the same, compare the rightmost digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. A number that is equal to 567. A number that is greater than 140 and less than 143. The answer is 141 or 142. A number that is less than 650 and greater than 646. The answers are 647, 648, or 649. Comparing numbers up to 500. In each pair of numbers, encircle the greater number. Which one is greater, 67 or 59? You're right, it is 67. 99 or 841? Very good, it is 841. 945 or 925? You're right, it is 945. 476 or 479? You're right, it is 479. 309 or 1000? You're right, it is 1000. In each pair of numbers, encircle the lesser number. Which one is lesser, 28 or 38? Very good, it is 28. 6 or 676? You're right, it is 6. 484 or 414? Very good, it is 414. 923 or 929? You're right, it is 923. 1000 or 997? You're right, it is 997. How do we compare numbers? The number with more digits is greater. When comparing numbers with the same number of digits, the number with a larger leftmost digit is greater. If the leftmost digits are the same, for two-digit numbers, compare the rightmost digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. For three-digit numbers, compare the middle digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. If the middle digits are still the same, compare the rightmost digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. Give two two-digit numbers that are greater than 97. Give two three-digit numbers that are less than 103. Give three three-digit numbers that are greater than 996. Give three three-digit numbers that are greater than 665 and less than 670. For day 3, ordering numbers up to 1000 from smallest to largest and vice versa. Show me the greater number. Bring out your show me boards and markers. I will show you two numbers on the screen. Look at the numbers carefully. Write the greater number on your show me board. Raise your board when you're done. Which one is greater? You're right, it's 997. 68 and 17. Very good, it is 68. 100 and 166. 166. 599 or 346. 599. 190 or 999. 999. 190 or 109. 190. For our lesson purpose, to order numbers up to 1000 from smallest to largest and vice versa. In our previous lessons, we compared two numbers. This time, we will order a set of numbers from smallest, least, to largest, greatest, applying what you learned about comparing numbers. You will arrange the numbers written on the cards from smallest to largest. What do you mean by smallest? In a set of numbers, it is the least number in the set. What do you mean by largest in a set of numbers? It is the greatest number in the set. 296, 375, and 86. What is the least number in the given set and why? It is the smallest because it has only 2 digits. Also, what is the least number in the given set and why? It is 86 because it is the smallest and it has only 2 digits. Also, it is less than 100. Which number should be placed next? 296. I compared 296 and 375. Both are 3-digit numbers, so I looked at their leftmost digits. Since the leftmost digit of 296 is 2, is less than the leftmost digit of 375, which is 3, then 296 is less than 375. Since 296 is less than 375, it means that 375 is the largest number in the set. What do you notice about the 3 numbers? Are the numbers increasing or decreasing? The numbers are increasing. When you arrange a set of numbers from smallest, least to largest, greatest, it means we are arranging the numbers in increasing or ascending order. How do we order numbers? One strategy would be to separate or group the numbers according to the number of digits. Then compare the numbers within each group and arrange them according to the given condition, smallest, least, to largest, greatest, or vice versa. Arrange the numbers in each set as indicated, smallest to least to largest or greatest. For number 2, 880, 697, and 756. For number 3, 371, 45, 49, and 389. Number 4, 994, 9, 39, and 998. Number 5, 334, 87, 1000, 376, and 8. For day 4, describing the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 20th. Tell the name of fruits from left to right. Here are the correct order of fruits from left to right. We have guava, banana, mango, apple, and orange. Our lesson purpose is to describe the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 20th. Who's in line? I will pause the first to 10 cards in a row on the board. I will call 10 learners to line up in front, 1 under each card. As you stand in line, I will write your names below each card, based on your position. Example, first, Dan. Second, May. Third, Ali. Fourth, Al. And fifth is Bea. Next, I will post the 11th to 20th cards on the board, continuing the line. I will call another 10 learners to stand next to the first group. As you join the line, I will write your names under the correct ordinal number card. Example, 11th, Ben. 12th, Fe. 13th, Ed. Who is in the first line? Who is in the last line? Who's ninth in the line? Ordinal numbers. Ed, Mark, Mary, Anna, and Alexa are among the 20 children lining up to ride the school bus. What is the position of each child in the line? Write your answer in the second column. Ed is in front of the line. The position in the line is first position. Mark is the last child. 20th position. Alexa is behind Ed. Second position. Mary is the fifth child from Mark. 15th position. Anna is the third child from Alexa. 5th position. How can we describe the position of an object or person in an arrangement? We can use ordinal numbers first, second, third to describe the position of an object or a person. The shapes are arranged in a line. Their positions in the arrangement are indicated below: 6th, 16th, 9th, 3rd, 20th, 15th, and 11th. First, fill in the shaded part of the first row of the chart with the missing ordinal numbers. Next, draw the shape in the second row of the chart based on its position. Here are the correct answers.